I'm baby chief if you niggas ain't hip. Yo ho wanna take a ride in my whip. Top to bottom, I don't want no skips. If I like your story, you just made my list. All these blues, you would think I'm Crip. She see all this cash, not a bitch wanna strip off the last project. I really could've retired. Before I do that, I gotta empty this clip. Bang, ain't shit never gon' change. Still fuck you for the game. Yesterday I met me a pretty young thing, and I walked up like, where you from, what's your name? She said Jane, and I'm from Tennessee. I said, dude, only 10. I see, I know you done heard that shit plenty times, so let me